Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral caramelized onion pasta, so let's get started with the video. Begin by cutting 2 onions into thin slices. When you're finished, set the onions to the side until you're ready to use them. Next, in a large pot filled with water, add salt. Bring the water to a boil and then add your pasta noodles. I added thin spaghetti noodles. Cook the pasta for however long it says to on the box. While the pasta noodles are cooking, we're going to make the sauce. In a large pan over low heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the butter has completely melted, add the onions you prepared before. Proceed to caramelize the onions by cooking them at low heat and stirring them occasionally for about 30 to 40 minutes. You'll know the onions are caramelized when they're soft, brown, and jammy. Once you finish caramelizing the onions, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of chili crisp oil. Then mix everything together and let everything cook for another minute. Next, add 2 cups of heavy cream. Then mix everything together until well combined, and then let your sauce simmer until it becomes thick. Once the sauce starts to thicken, mix in a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Then add a half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Once you finish making the sauce, turn off the heat and add your pasta noodles. Mix the noodles into the sauce until they are completely coated and you are all finished. Now all you have to do is plate it up. To garnish my pasta, I added some chili crisp on top. Then I added some Parmesan cheese and parsley on top as well. And this is the finished result. This pasta was seriously so delicious. The caramelized onions and chili crisp gave it a really good flavor. It's also super creamy and didn't need a lot of seasonings. And once again, it's super easy to make. I completely understand why this pasta went viral. It is so good. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!